how to remove video background in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First thing first, open the CapCut app on your PC and import the video you want to remove background of. So here you can see that I have the video. Now all you have to do is tap on the video slider available in the bottom, the edit section. You can see there is the green option available there. After you tap on it, there will be video settings option available in the right sidebar. So tap on it. Then tap on the remove BG option available from there. After that, you will get to see auto removal option available there. Tap on it and wait for few seconds. After the process reach to 100%, you will get to see background removed easily. So here you can see. So the video, in my video, the lady is wearing black color, so it might be quite hard to differentiate it, but so I'm using some filters. So you can see there are some filters also available. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.